So as you know, we're providing some kind of qualitative analysis for clinicians who work with low mobility patients. Our main motivation was spinal muscular atrophy, a disease that affects the muscles or the signaling pathway to muscles of these patients, and they're unable to move very much. So these clinicians provide various tests for these patients, but these tests are very qualitative, and we're providing a solution that will provide a more quantitative solution for them. So our device, shown over here, one for the left arm and one for the right arm, has two functions. The first is to provide a frictionless platform for these patients. So as you can see, we have ball bearings, or rather ball transfers on our device, 4 to be in particular. This allows for a free motion of the device, allowing their small movements to be translated into a motion in the 2D plane. And on top of that, we provide a qualitative analysis of the motion, basically a reconstruction of the computer that gets analyzed by our code. And in order to do this, we use 2 laser mice as shown underneath our device. These are the 2 laser mice. We got lucky and we were able to keep them as wireless mice, so they transfer wirelessly via USB and are read in LabVIEW. So these 2 mice will keep track of the motion of the device, and we need 2 in order to keep track of the orientation. That's basically what our device does, and it reads in through LabVIEW. And as you can see, this is the code that reconstructs the motion. All the graphs on the top are for the right arm, or rather the left arm, and all of them on the bottom are for the right arm. So these 2 on the left provide a reconstruction of what's going on. The values over here provide data on one particular motion, every motion that's made. So one of the key points is the total distance of that movement. And the 4 graphs over here are just outputs of what's coming out from these sensors. So you can see what's going on. Red and white are for each sensor, and the left is for the X direction and the right graphs are for the Y direction.